Today, we will learn how to access Chrome Incognito from your PC. Open up your Google Chrome in your web browser. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen to open up the menu. Click on the new Incognito window or use a shortcut key on your keyboard to Control plus Shift plus N. Now, you can see on the screen that you have gone incognito. So that is how to access incognito from your desktop. Another way is to pin the Google Chrome on your desktop to your taskbar, as you can see here. Then you right click on the app and you select new incognito window. As you can see, so that's it, guys. That is how to access Chrome Incognito from your desktop or your PC. Ensure to give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye guys, see you in the next video.